Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage security options on Edge browser. To do this, first you will need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser and navigate to the settings. Inside, select Privacy, Search and Services. Now we can scroll down and look for Security tab. Now there's many settings regarding it. Let's start with Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Help protect me from malicious sites and downloads with Microsoft Defender Smart Screen that you can activate or deactivate. When it's activated, you'll be able to also enable or disable block potentially unwanted apps, block downloads of low reputation apps that might cause unexpected behaviors, and you can enable or disable it as I said. Then there's the website typo protection. Warn me if I mistype a site address and may be directed to potentially malicious site, and you can enable or disable it, and you can also clear all previously allowed sites right here with the clear button. Then you can change your DNS. Use secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. By default, Microsoft Edge uses your current service provider. Alternate DNS provider may cause some sites to not be reachable. So you can use your current service provider or choose a different one and enter their custom provider. And next thing is enhance your security on the web. Turn on this mode to browse the web more securely and help protect your browser from malware. Choose the level of security you need, and you can enable or disable it with the switch. When it's enabled, you can switch between balanced or strict mode. You can find all of the information regarding those modes underneath right here. And the next one is Microsoft Edge Secure Network, a feature that you can enable or disable. And then let's close this. And actually it doesn't unlock, so we can't change that. I will make another video on how to enable or how to switch between those two modes. And that is basically everything regarding security settings on Microsoft Edge browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.